Viewers, in a big breaking news that we're getting at this hour, the Border Security Force and the Anti-Narcotics Task Force in Amritsar launched a joint operation, and they have now nabbed 2 smugglers with at least 1.1 kilograms of narcotics on the Amritsar border. 2 packets of suspected heroin and 1 motorcycle have been seized. Both apprehended individuals are residents of Ajnala and are currently in the custody of the Anti-Narcotics Task Force in Amritsar for further questioning, probe and investigation. We're also being joined by Amandeep, my colleague, live from Chandigarh to get us more updates on this story. Amandeep, another border infiltration of drugs nabbed in Amritsar. At least 1.1 kgs of narcotics have been seized. Tell us more about this joint operation by the BSF and the Anti-Narcotics Task Force.
Well, absolutely, Geshu. This is another bid of cross-border drug smuggling that has been foiled in a joint operation of BSF and Anti-Narcotics Task Force of Punjab Police. And even 2 OGW, on-ground workers of this drug nexus, has been arrested. And even they both were residents of Amritsar. And in fact, this entire season and arrest has been happened at Chota Fatehwal village in Amritsar, which is very close to international border, nearby the fence as well. And the police and the BSF has also recovered 1.1 kg of heroin. These 2 OGWs who has been apprehended, they came to receive the drug consignment which was being dropped through the Pakistani drone in the Indian side in Amritsar. And in fact, the bike that was also seized by the police, that bike was used to travel to reach that village, and they are getting the coordinates from the Pakistani drug smugglers to reach out to that drug consignment which was dropped by the Pakistani drone. And now the police is investigating that who all are involved into this chain of cross-border drug smuggling which is being run on the Indian territory as well with the help of the Pakistani drug smugglers, and how many people are involved into this drug smuggling bids which was being handled by the cross-border drug smugglers. So this is the first arrest by Amritsar police and BSF, and in fact further the chain is really very long, and another bid of Pakistani drug smugglers has been foiled in a joint operation in Punjab. Yes, Gesu.